Good day, my name is Lloyd Bueno, and today we will talk about the three stages of combustion, and these are flashpoint, firepoint, and flashover. So first, let's talk about flashpoint. Flashpoint is the lowest temperature at which a liquid substance or other fuel emits vapor in sufficient concentration to form an ignitable mixture in the presence of an open flame, spark, or other ignition sources. It represents the temperature at which the vapor above a liquid becomes flammable but doesn't sustain combustion. So sa madaling sabi, ang flashpoint is the first stage of combustion. It is the lowest temperature kung saan magkakaroon ng slight ignition doon sa material natin or sa fuel natin, since fuel defined as the any substance or any material that can emit fire, no? So, flashpoint natin, kailangan niya ng other ignition sources para mag-sustain yung combustion. Sa flashpoint, kapag wala na yung ignition sources niya, hindi mag-sustain yung combustion or mamamatay yung apoy natin. Hindi mamamatay pero maaapula yung apoy natin. So, take note, flashpoint is the lowest temperature at which vapors of the material will ignite by a source. By a source because we need a ignition sources to sustain its combustion. And if there is no ignition sources, combustion will not continue. Next, let's talk about firepoint. Firepoint is the second stage of combustion where the material will catch fire and continue burning even after the ignition source is removed. The firepoint is higher than the flashpoint because the vapors produced at the flashpoint are not sufficient enough to ignite the fuel. The firepoint is the temperature at which a liquid substance emits vapor in sufficient concentration to sustain combustion once ignited. Unlike the flashpoint, the firepoint vapor release can continue to burn when exposed to an open flame or other ignition sources. It indicates that the liquid is capable of supporting a fire once ignited. So sa madaling sabi, ang firepoint is the process where the fuel or the material will continue burning, can sustain its combustion regardless kahit wala na yung ignition sources. Unlike sa flashpoint, para mag-sustain yung combustion, kailangan nandyan yung ignition sources. Sa firepoint, magkukontinue yung combustion niya kahit wala ng ignition process. So, sa madaling sabi, ang flashpoint at firepoint is a continuous process. Flashpoint, first, no? First yan, kasi hindi yan magkukontinuous burning without the ignition sources. So, mas mababa siya kaysa kay firepoint. Firepoint is much higher or mas mataas na yung degree of burning niya. Kasi it can sustain the combustion without the ignition sources na. Kahit patanggalin mo yung open flame or yung spark sa electricity, no? It will continue to burn, no? Na-reach niya na yung peak of heat or peak ng flame niya or yung peak ng init niya kung saan magko-continuous burning na siya by itself. So, for example natin sa flashpoint, no? Imagine natin yung kandila at saka yung posporo. Once we ignite the posporo, tapos nilapat natin dun sa kandila, so mag-aapoy siya. The moment na nagkaroon ng heat transfer through conduction, no, nilapat natin yung posporo dun sa kandila, yun yung flashpoint. Mag-i-ignite siya because of the ignition sources. Ngayon kapag tinanggal na natin yung posporo and then yung kandila continue to burn, no? Continue to burn without the ignition sources, which is yung posporo. Masasabi na natin ngayon, yung fire na natira sa kandila is the process of firepoint. For the last stage of combustion, we will talk about the flashover. Flashover, it refers to the critical stage in a fire development when the contents of a room or space become so heated that all flammable materials ignites simultaneously. This results in a rapid and widespread fire in the entire area. Flashover is dangerous and often result in a sudden and a dramatic increase in fire intensity, making it very difficult to control or escape from the fire. The heat transfer at beyond flashover is primarily by radiation. So, sa madaling sabi, no, flashover is a transnational phase in the development of a compartment fire in which surfaces exposed to thermal radiation reach its ignition temperature more or less simultaneously, and fire spread rapidly throughout the space, resulting in a full room involvement or total involvement of the compartment or enclosed area. So, to summarize what is flashover, no? Sa madaling sabi, pag sinabing flashover, it is the widespread of fire. Kapag nagkaroon na ng flashover sa combustion, sobrang dangerous na to para sa mga nakapaligid na tao, pati sa mga property na nakapaligid sa flashover na yan. Kasi sa flashover, for example natin dyan is yung disco, no? Ozone disco, yung tragedy na nangyari na yun. Yung enclosed area na yan, no? Enclosed area yan. Since yung pinto niya is bakal, no? Sobrang init, no? Yung spread of fire talaga is sobrang chaotic. Nag-result sa napakaraming buhay na nawala. So, yung flashover, yun yung example ng flashover na yung rapid na mag-spread ng fire and simultaneously. So, yung heat transfer, kaya naging delikado itong flashover kasi yung heat transfer niya is through radiation na, no? What does it mean? Hindi na kailangan ng direct contact para masustain yung combustion. There is no ignition, wala nang kailangan na ignition sources. Kumbaga, na-reach na nung flashover yung maximum temperature para masunog yung buong lugar or yung buong enclosed area. For example, yung ozone disco, di ba? Nagkaroon na ng flashover sa area to the point na yung mga tao is nasunog na sa loob, no? Kasi sobrang rapid fire, yung rapid or yung spread ng fire is through radiation na, yung heat transfer to radiation na. Kahit hindi na magkaroon ng direct contact sa nasusunog na bagay, di ba? Pero yung kahit malayo pa yung isang tao doon sa nasusunog na bagay, ramdam na nila yung init. For example, yung bakal, di ba? Kahit pasibihin mo 2 inches or 3 inches yung layo ng tao doon sa bakal na nasusunog. Di ba? Doon sa bakal na yun, ramdam niya yung init. Diba? Para siyang nasa microwave. So, yun yung heat transfer through radiation. Ibig sabihin, yung flashover, it is the most critical part of a fire. To wrap it up, combustion, there are 3 stages of combustion, which is flash point, fire point, and flashover. Flash point is the first stage of combustion na kailangan pa ng ignition sources para masustain yung combustion niya. Next is the fire point, where the material doesn't require the ignition sources for it to be continuous combustion. No ignition sources needed to sustain its combustion. That is fire point. And lastly, flashover, which is the most dangerous part of in combustion, which is there is a rapid spread of fire, and the heat transfer is through radiation. Heat transfer is through radiation. So that's it. My name is Lloyd Wenog, and this is my submission for Arson. Thank you.